Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Placed Soon. In this video, we are going to discuss how to reverse an array using recursion. We already solved this problem in the array series, but here we are doing the same with recursion. In the given example 5, 6, 7, 8, we are going to reverse an array in such a way that it becomes 8, 7, 6, 5. Now let's see how to achieve this in programming. Our main idea is to use two pointers. One is at the start of the array and the other is at the end of the array. So in our given array, 5 is start, 8 is end. Now our job is to swap these two elements. How do we swap elements? We save the start value in temporary and update start value with end value and update end value with the temporary value. Now successfully 5 and 8 swapped their positions. After swapping these two, we will increase start pointer and decrease end pointer. Why? We are supposed to change each and every element in the array, right? So we increase start pointer and decrease end pointer. After pointing towards the right position, now again we perform the same thing. We store the start value that is 6 in the temporary, update start value with the end value that is 7, update end value with the temporary value that is 6. Now 6 and 7 got swapped. You can see that the array consists of 4 elements 5, 6, 7, 8. But within 2 steps, we have reversed the array. It became 8, 7, 6, 5. Now let's see how to write this in programming. First, without recursion. So here we declare the array with the same elements 5, 6, 7, 8. After that we are printing it. It's normal print statement. Now we are declaring two pointers. One is start. Start is from the start of the array, so 0. Because array index starts from 0. And the other pointer end. End will be the length of the array. Array dot length minus 1. Why are we writing minus 1? Because the array index starts from 0. Okay. After that we are declaring a while loop. In the while loop swap elements from the array from the beginning and the end until they meet in middle. So what are we doing in the while loop? The temporary will store the start value. Start will be updated by the end value. End will be updated by the temporary value. So here the swapping part is done. Now moving to the other elements of the array. We increase the start pointer and decrease the end pointer. And this loop runs until start pointer and end pointer meet in the middle. That's how we write the condition in the while statement, that is start less than end. Until start value is less than end, this loop will run. If start value is greater than or equal to end, the process will be done. The while loop stops working. And this is how we reverse an array without using recursion. Now let's see the same code, same logic using recursion. How to write it? In the main function here, we declare the same array and we are passing it to the function reverse. Reverse is a recursive function here. We are passing the array, we are passing the start pointer and we are passing the end pointer value. Start pointer and the end pointer value to our recursive function reverse. Now focus on the reverse function here. In the reverse function, I've already mentioned in the previous videos that a recursion consists of two major parts. One is base case and the other is recursive case. Base case is just the stopping criteria and the recursive case is what happens in the function. First, let's see the recursive case. In the recursive case, when array is passed, start pointer is passed and end pointer is passed, we are supposed to swap the elements. So we are doing the same process again. Take temp, store the start value in it, update start with end value, update end with temporary value, over swapping. Now what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to move the pointers. So in recursion, we basically call the same function again. So we are calling the same function with updated parameters. With the updated parameters, reverse, array comma, start plus 1. We are increasing start pointer, end minus 1. We are decreasing end pointer. So this is how the swapping and calling happens. Now till when this function runs, till our base case is met. Our base case is written in such a way that if start is greater than or equal to end, the function will stop working and return. Here in the while loop without recursion, till start value is less than end value, the while loop runs. Here in the recursive case, it's reverse. If the condition is met, we will stop. Here in the while loop, if the condition is true, then only we'll go inside the while loop and run. That's it from my side. This is how we write how to reverse an array using recursion in programming. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.